that the overall winner in autocross for Formula SAE 2024 is the Ohio State University.
You really got to put your time in. A lot of our members spend almost over 40 hours a week in this garage. A lot of stuff you don't learn in the classroom. And so you got to come here, you got to ask a lot of questions, be open-minded to learning, be excited about learning. We have some great drivers, and seeing this thing fly around the racetrack is slowly just kind of settled in like this is our year. I think we're going to win this thing.
Working on this car, it translates so well to what you'll see in a lot of engineering jobs. Whether that is automotive or aerospace is where a lot of our senior graduating class goes. You get hands-on experience with hardware, and you own the full life cycle of your component. It's a confidence booster for yourself, because when you go in, you design something, it's your baby. You're looking after it the whole time, and you really, really want to see it work. And then once it does, it's that ultimate relief and satisfaction of knowing that you built something, and it's something that will perform and that will last.
By that final lap in endurance, I think everyone was super excited. I remember the last time the car flew by us, and everyone was cheering real loud, and we saw the checkered flag as our car went in. The excitement was insane. But it's an incredible team effort. We probably needed every single person on our team this year that we had to accomplish this. I couldn't really think of taking one or two people out. We probably would not have the result we had. So it was a complete team effort through and through.
It's fantastic to have a bunch of sister teams and cooperation between all the different motorsport teams that are established here at CAR. It really speaks to a unique environment that allows new teams like ours to come in and perform successfully in our first year alone. Battery Workforce Challenge allows us to really dive into what the industry is requiring of engineers today to learn. So with electrical, mechanical, material science, they're all looking at how to integrate battery engineering and battery technology to really supplement efficient processes in battery electric vehicles.
Extremely rewarding. So every single hour that we spent on this in this garage, we were for the last 4 months, we were probably here 16 hours a day.
It's really a spirit of competition, both of collaboration and at the same time trying to get your own edge on the other teams.
Seeing that we were the only car that was super well prepared at the competition and executed every single event with absolute precision and had plenty of spare time to re-attempt some events to get some more points. So that felt very rewarding, and seeing that every engineer from GM or other sponsors and the competition being absolutely impressed with what we do, the execution that we have, that felt like, yep, we have a great team to work with.
It's validation, because even going from year 1 to year 2 and realizing that, hey, we made the right decision, and the work that we put in the past has proven in the future that it works. It's absolute validation, and we love it.
So every time we have somebody new, either from our undergrad school or coming from Wilberforce as a partner university, they bring in fresh ideas and fresh questions. Sometimes asking those interesting questions gives us different perspective on how to solve the problem.
The skill sets you learn from Battery Workforce Challenge gives you everything you essentially need to know going into the industry to be able to dive into creating these new novel systems.
Fantastic to see all of our hard work paid off. It was a lot of late nights in the garage, but actually seeing the car run at competition and competing against other teams made it all worth it.
I think one thing in the back of everybody's mind was that next year we're doing something really hard, and we're going to have to push for that too. And so we're going to have to go off of this success this year, and whether that is raising more sponsors to push for that electric car of the future, to the actual sitting down, working with the components that we have in-house, setting up our dynamometer and getting things rolling for our electric vehicle is something that we were kind of thinking at the same time. We've done well this year, but we have a lot ahead.